Hi, I am Mayra Alejandra Peralta Matayan. Image number 1. The green-aged Afghan girl. She is not happy. She is wearing a red dress. Image number 2. Manaus militant. They are making a sound. She is wearing a black skirt and orange. The military is hungry. The fall of the Berlin Wall. They are some men watching. They are wearing black jackets. Men of the moon. The astronaut wears boots. The astronaut is wearing a helmet. Marilyn Monroe and in the subway. Her dress is blowing in the wind. He is smiling. There is a man watching Marilyn. The Beatles on a bay road. There are 4 men walking. The man in front is wearing a red coat. The man in the back is wearing a blue shirt and blue jeans. The men in the middle are wearing black suits. Royal Guard fainting. The other guards do not see their fainting companion. The guards are wearing red jackets. There is a guard riding a horse. The horses of all the guards are the same.